ask you about lemon rice or tiger biryani. See the ingredients: red chili, curry coriander seeds, urad dal, red chili, coriander seeds, chana dal, methi seeds, black pepper, CCNs, and you can call it yellow. Kadugu, urad dal, coriander leaves, red chili, leaves, safotida, manjattul, kaluppu. You need to take this size of tamarind and you need to take this water and rice for last. Write those the ingredients in the description box. Keep it in a plate. I will see about the tamarind right benefits. It is a tropical food. In tamarind, antioxidant, inflammatory properties that protect us from heart disease and cancer and diabetes. Slack can also help lower the blood sugar, lose body weight, fatty liver status. Ingredients cool down, we'll make it to a fine powder. Half the soil. We'll put curry. We'll fry little bit so taste. And that this thing before we fry no. Channa. Peanuts. We'll add this curry leaf. We'll add the chili. We need to fry it. We'll add asafoetida and only asafoetida. Then we need to add slowly tamarind water. Turmeric powder and salt. Do it at the same time and look, it's more, there's more, you put everything. Then only taste will come. Very nicely and smell. It will get so much taste. Nice aroma. Close the lid. You need to use a lid to close this size. Now we are closed. We'll wait for some times. Meantime, we can make the powder. We need to wait till the tamarind will go. We'll put we'll add oil. The tamarind paste is ready. We'll switch it off. We transformed it into a cup. We had this much on the rice, so we are adding. If you don't have that, a tiger curry is ready. It's ready. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button. Bye.